Hey, I think we got a problem.
All right, that's it for the day. Everyone will move on out.
Get in the cabin. He gets inside, we punch him. You understand me?
Got it.
Where's everybody going?
It's about closing time for us.
Hold up. Are you a bearded lady?
No, sir. We're a legitimate health organization.
Well, I got a few more questions. You mind?
Sure thing. After you.
No, after you. It's quite a limp you got there.
Yeah, old football injury.
Is that right? Tell me what you know about the Oxy Clinic over on Indian Line.
Nothing.
You sure? You fit the description of a man an eyewitness described murdering 3 people there this morning.